Welcome guys, one more day for this BD card auto glass replacement in Irving, Texas. Today we're working on this one. It's a 2020 Aviator Lincoln. So we're gonna replace the glass. Somebody vandalized this car. You see, they hit it with the helmet or whatever it was. But it was a bad situation for this customer. So we're gonna put a new windshield. I like it. So but let's start working on this one, okay? So we're gonna start on the clip. So it's very easy. Not many parts to remove, but a little bit more than the other one I did already before in the other video. So let's gonna start taking a couple of clips. Remember, you have extra of these ones you order in Amazon and another place. They're really cheap, and you can have extra if in case you have an accident. Okay, this guy's very easy, so it's not an excuse to lost brake. Okay, right there. Remember, the same style like the Chevy trucks, the security clip for the hose right there, so the same like the Chevys right there. Okay, so we got this one loose a little bit. Remember, clips the same like the escapes or force, so no big deal. So I'm gonna remove this guy from here. Little clip, and that's all. Clip. Clip and clip. Okay, now remember, inside here we're gonna have connections for the wipers, so just gonna move this guy. Let me take cover here. This is kind of wet, this car. It was a little chilly this morning. Alright, just gonna take this one off. The wipers are the same style like the BMWs, the 540s, with the connections over here. So you don't have to take this one off. What we're gonna do is only unplug these guys over here. Over here. Now remember, like that, you see the top is the short one and the long one is the bottom, just like this. Okay, don't miss it for each. So remember, the short one goes like this and will be the top right here and this part. All right, and that way you can remember if in case you can unplug from here, just like that. Really easy, because you don't want to take all the way, take the whole count with the wipers together, and put it back on the same way. There you go, one over there, and there you go. Okay, so remember, the mirror is not a problem. We're gonna take the cover first. This clip sometimes, there you go, still a little attach, not much, just this one right here, right there, and one more clip. There you go. Now this one, comparing with the other one I did, this one doesn't have those brackets over here, remember? So this one is only clips over here. Take the connector. There you go. Take this one on the bottom here. Now, let's take the sensors. Push to the bed. Push to the bed. There you go. Right there. And our rain sensor. And pull it slowly. Just get the sensors back on the sensor. And that's all. This case, we got a little damage on the sensor. What I'm doing, I'm gonna clean it up. I just redo it with the new gel pad. I got the Marcy lane, so no big deal. So, and now let's go the sensor. Remember, this one they clean the part to just pull out right there. Now I finished my Ziploc bags in the body shop because I put all the parts in those guys, but you can use this guy, you know, the glove like this, and just leave it like that. Alright, so this is the best, and it's more safe because these 9mm gloves, they are better, you know. So I like more probably this one than the Ziploc bags because they're more thick. And just leave it like that. All right. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna just hold it. I'm gonna go on the edge, right there. So make sure you don't catch this molding because you see the factories let this glass channel. So I tried to record another videos, but no yet. Soon I have it, I will post it again. Does the gravity stop? Don't worry about that one, it's coming with the glass for the upper cell phone. As you see, my system is stretching out because I'm going with the perfect speed, no stress, no turning. You don't see my tool freaking or stressing too much. People use the first speed, that's not good. Right there. And now, second one. Make sure we don't trap anything in the bracket or attachments. Special my sensor, I didn't disconnect this one. There you go. Now before you start turning too much and you make a burn over here, just change the direction, lock the top, cut the bottom, and we're finished. And that's all. Okay guys, so we'll get it. And that's all. Okay, remember the bend has to go up. Many people put upside down and you go sometimes too close to the hood, or they have to put something to protect it. You don't have to. It's just the bend of the two wings go up. Alright guys, checking the glass out. It's completely messed up. Alright, so not much glue. This is, I saw in the other car I did before, the other Lincoln, they're missing this spot. Maybe they have a windows, but this one, the opposite foam, this is kind of harder. Maybe they just keeping the noise out of there. But you see the urethane, even here, not much glue, just a little bit touch the glass. And this coming from the factory, so it's not about after that. You see here, this is nice, but the other one not, and you're missing a spot right here. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and see you next shot. Just to put it in, I'll install the glass and we're finished. Alright, thank you guys, see you next shot. Guys, so we're gonna finish this job. I'm gonna set the glass. I got my quick set, couple of scratches I have to cover, no scratches and lamination a little bit, the corners. Now here I found is no urethane in this area, was completely, you know, clean. So I think there's the issues from the dealership, but you know, after that it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna set the glue now. I'm gonna use the Express Steady. Remember, no really big. I think something was wrong right there, so let me set my windshield. My phone is ringing, but I cannot answer right now. Alright, so let's gonna set this one right here. The glass, let it down a little bit, and remember we have our clips. Oh, gravity stops. Hold on. Got you. It's possible you can just send me a picture of that part. Okay guys, sorry, I have this call. It's a Mustang, has a problem, GT. They got hit by someone, but they say they broke the sunroof, so I see what can I do. Okay guys, so you see we finished. We put the clips on. Now we have the best space here and the other clip over here, and we finished. The VIN number is perfectly alignment, all done. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the parts together. You saw how to pull it up, you know how they're gonna back in. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in another video. This was Luis from BDCAT Auto Glass Replacement, always on the top of the job. See you next time.